Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am your friend Zaid Afzaldar and you're watching my channel Living in Saudi Arabia. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you receive all notifications on time and every time. During this video, if you find the information useful, please like this video. Remember that a lot of hard work is done in the background to get you all this useful information. Today is Sunday, 28th August 2022. Let's have a look at today's gold prices in Saudi Arabia. Starting with the 1 gram price of 24 carats gold without VAT is 210.31 and with VAT is 241.86. 22 carats gold without VAT price for 1 gram is 193.07 and with VAT is 222.03. 21 carats gold without VAT price is 184.02 and with VAT is 211.62. 18 carats gold 1 gram price without VAT is 157.73 and with VAT is 181.39. 14 carats gold 1 gram price without VAT is 123.03 and with VAT is 141.48. For 10 carats gold 1 gram price without VAT is 87.70 and with VAT is 100.86. Last but not the least, 6 carats gold without VAT price is 52.58 and with VAT is 60.47. I hope you'll find this information useful, and if this information is useful to you, please like this video and share this information with your friends and family so that everyone gets the latest update. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.